Okay, so for internal Wing Chun, the opening of the form is the feet together, your body's unlinked, you suspend the head, you drop the hip, you stretch the spine. And as soon as you start stretching the spine, you start linking the body via the joints and the dropping of your center. So this connection here, your whole body becomes connected, then you relax and hang the muscles through that linkage of the body to drop, stretch the whole body out and rise. So this gives you the basic line. If I was to throw a punch from here to here, I'd drop my body, and that'd be the fastest way I could get my hand out onto a strike. And that's what the line we use when we open the form to get this connected mass on the end of the hand, or to intercept an incoming strike. To get the correct feeling of the sink and drop, we put our hands out and we touch our partner's base. And then once we have the mind down, we drop and we connect and stretch through what we feel. Very, very simple connection exercise. We link our body to our partner's body. We become one connected mass. So I need to touch his feet through the fascia, then I drop my hip, stretch my spine, and stretch through what I feel. Now what I don't want to do is stretch onto him. If I stretch onto him, it's an A to B effect. I've got to touch everything and stretch through the connection that I've got through everything I feel. So if I'm doing this, not going to happen. But if I get down, now I feel his base, and I connect through his base, I can link my body to his body. Once we have that linkage, it's got to be done soft, gently. It's a product of your mind. Then that linkage is very rhythmically sped up. So you start very, very, very slowly connecting until you're vibrating a pulse and tearing the energy of the kinetic wave through your partner. But to get to the point where you can put a kinetic wave through your partner, you have to just softly train your mind to link. You've got to be fully linked to the field of his fascia to connect energy effectively and control his balance and control his body, control his mind, control his structure. Okay, let's partner up, have a play with that, nice and slowly. Thank you.